How to see all of your private servers on Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll guide you through the process of viewing all of your private servers on the Roblox. So it's a straightforward and efficient method, so be sure to follow along closely. The initial step is to access all of your private servers on the Roblox, involves launching your preferred web browser and navigating to the Roblox website at www.roblox.com. Once you reach the site, ensure that you download and update the desktop application before proceeding with the instructions in this video. After confirming that you're using the latest version of the Roblox player, open up it to view your private servers. To begin, select a game in which you wish to establish a private server. You can utilize the Discovery tab or the search feature at the top of the screen to locate the desired game. Click on the game where you intend to set up the server and then scroll down until you see the Servers tab at the bottom of the page. Click on it and you will be directed to the server options. Here, simply click on the Create Private Server button located at the top of the screen and provide a random name for your server. Then proceed by clicking Buy Now. Subsequently, you will receive a prompt to customize your server immediately. You can either close it and return to the customization later or personalize it right away. You have the option to permit random individuals to join, restrict access to only friends and server members, and share the server link. I trust that this tutorial has been beneficial in assisting you with viewing all of your private servers on Roblox. If you found this video to be helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for additional quick and convenient tips. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next video.